It's officially summer. It's hot as hell. You feel me? You mean tank top, shorts, Crocs, no socks. Fuck they talking about? This motherfucking. Hopefully y'all can see that. It's 83 degrees. I might just go get some gas. Go through the little car wash shit. Then I'm back at the crib. AC. AC baby. Now we're gonna get some gas. Get some gas. Wow, hold on, Pop. Hold on. Pop, he started drawing out. Sunoco can't fuck with Wawa. They gonna put premium water in my shit. And quick little fill up. My skin and everything look good. Like, you don't even need a camera for it. Right off the phone. I always wondered, like, if you start your car up while you getting gas, do that shit blow up? Like, am I gonna die? I must have seen something, like, in the past. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I think you die if you start the car up while you getting gas. That shit just blow up or something. Who knows? I'm gonna try it one day. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Not suicide. I'm a scientist. I was trying something for the world. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna blow up, but I'm gonna show y'all that. Alright, that shit gonna pass 30. Oh. Yes. I had a little bit in here. But yeah, like I said, I'm a scientist. I'm gonna blow up. The phone gonna blow up, but I'm gonna show y'all that you blow up. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man, bro. Come on, y'all not supposed to. Chill.
Yeah, he gave
I'm blowing up.
There you go, man.
All right, appreciate it. Now we going to the car wash. You know what I'm saying? Car wash. I got like one little stain. Them niggas need to clean the tire and everything. The fuck the nigga said? The fuck? I don't even know, cuz he giving me the motherfucking fuck out of here. I might be a genius. If I could leave the phone right there without it falling, I'll be able to talk to y'all more while I'm driving and fully pay attention to my surroundings. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I hit a bump, I'm gonna prove to myself I'm a dumb. There's a lot going on in the world right now. Whoever got them Rolexes, say my line. Gotta be that high, dude. Like, I don't got one of them new 2018s, 2019, 2020. You know what I'm saying? So mine ain't. It ain't ice cold, but they get the job done. These niggas, yeah, they open. So we ready to go through the car wash. You know what I'm saying? They see the camera and be like, "Are you famous?" Absolutely. You're not gonna tip though. Thank you. Excuse me. No. Let me get the works platinum.
1465 por el otro.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
You too. Damn, like I don't even think he hit the tires. My rims a little dirty. Alright, let me take y'all. Should I make a crazy title like getting the neck for the car wash? You know what I mean? Getting the neck in the car wash. I'm a GoPro. I can really do that. I'm a virgin. I'm lying to y'all. I'm definitely capping. I cannot do that. Oh no, I can't. Oh, y'all see my phone? I can't post that. I cannot. Oh my god, I can't. It's alright. I'm getting a new one soon. 10 likes on this video, I'm gonna go get a new phone. 10 likes on the video, I'm going to get a new phone. I'm posting this up and I'm not even doing nothing. Watch. Let me get 10 likes, I'm gonna get the iPhone 11 Pro Max, whatever. They all do the same thing. I hope the camera pointed at me. I hope it's pointed at me. Alright, wipe me down. See what I'm saying? Wipe me down. See, let me get the wipe off. Alright, bro, don't do that. Yeah, wipe me down. You know what I mean? Young King boss. Young King bosses. Wipe me down. You know what I'm saying? When I get off the car, this wash better be magnificent. Vainglorious. Good? Good? Alright. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Oh. It's hot. I should get him a tip. You know what I'm saying? I'll be hot. Shit. I'll be hot as hell. I'd have been on. There ain't nobody give me a motherfucking tip. I need like a smaller tripod, I think. I just need one that's like. See, this one I can do all this extra shit with it. You know what I'm saying? Like no hands, it's on my lap though. I know a lot of y'all be wanting to know how I'm living. So I'm gonna start vlogging. They be like, and then can't show y'all the whole life, but y'all can get 40%. I'll give y'all 40%. You know what I'm saying? I hope the audio not messed up because I had the air blowing the whole time, but bear with me. It's hot as hell. I'm light skinned. I know they say black attracts all of the heat, the sun, whatever. But I'm gonna go from light skin to a little bit darker. I enjoy my light skin of a skin. I enjoy myself as being a light skinned guy. Once I lose about 60 more pounds, shit. I'm at them hoes. It's like, nah, I'm not even like that. I'm a good guy. Like, I don't even be hoes. I'm a child of God looking for a woman of God. You know what I'm saying? No sex until marriage. You feel me? Virgin. Alright, so okay. So I thought of these. I want to get back into my little video wave, feel me? So I thought of these little skit ideas I could make in the car, but I gotta figure out how I'm gonna set the camera up. You know what I'm saying? That might be good. Yeah, that's it. First try. I can't tell y'all what it's gonna base off yet, but I'm gonna leave the camera like this, and yeah, I'm gonna leave the camera like this. I'm gonna do voiceovers, and that's how it's gonna go. I'm saying though, don't make me go full. Now I'm fully Dominican. I'm fully Dominican now. You know what I'm saying? I'm fully Dominican. How I look with the shades? They not Ray-Ban and nothing like that. They not Versace and all that, but they pull your bitch. They pull your bitches. You know what I'm saying? Imagine a nigga like me. I see you joint at the beach just like this. I got the tank top on. You know what I'm saying? The shorts with the Crocs. Now I'm gonna take the Crocs off. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the Crocs on. I come up to your joint like, I ain't gonna do that. I'm just licking my lips because they're a little, you know what I'm saying, a little dry outside. I come up to your joint, I'm just like, hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? No, that might be too low. Hey, how you doing? What's your name? What's your... I see you from across the beach, and I got with me. I see you from across the beach, and I got to admit that you put... And you making my beat wanna say, yo, now I got them stiffy, iffy. I'm trying to get close to you. And then I sing her a little song. And then I walk away. Whatever happens, happens. But like, my breath might be on a little humbug, so I might. Cause you know, they ain't say the corona went away yet. So I walk up to her like, yeah, how you doing? Take the shades off. She's like, ooh, take off your mask too. Let me see. Yeah, this mask stiff as hell. That shit, you see that shit? That's it. That should say it. Yes, sir. Oh man. Absolutely. About to smack. What happened?